Today we are going to discuss the chemical effect of electric current, right? Generally, we have seen the heating effect we have seen, and magnetic effect of current. Two things it is here. Due to the flow of charge, we produce heat, that is called heating effect of current, as well as due to the flow of current producing the magnetic effect, that is called magnetic effect of current, right? So both are in the solid only, right? Both are in the solid. One other thing I want to share you, that thermal energy is what? It is due to the heating effect of current, right? It is due to the heat current is produced, that is called thermal effect, that is heating effect. And the same thing, the hydroelectricity, wind energy, those all the things, it produce the current through the turbine due to the magnet, that is due to the magnetic current due to the magnetic effect. Now chemical it is in the liquid form, right? When we current passes through the current liquid, that is called chemical effect of the current. So here the point is the electrode. What is the electrode? That is two end point, that is cathode and anode. Cathode is a negative terminal, and anode is a positive terminal, right? So when a liquid, so it is a liquid, right? So it is when, as you have seen in the making of the circuit, we need two terminals. Here the same thing, and two terminals connected with a wire, right? So wire is a conducting material. Here wire is not here, it is liquid. So, and when the current passes through this liquid, and as you know, current moves from positive to negative terminal, right? So due to this liquid, it is called chemical effect of the current, right? So current when we pass through liquid as well as in the air. You know what is air? Air is not only the mixture of gases and dust particles, it also having the water molecules, right? So this is this. Okay, now comes to the point ion. What is ion? Ion is charged particle, is called ion. Charged particle. Two charges here, positive charge and negative charge, right? So positive charge how? Generally atoms are always in neutral state, means the number of electrons and number of protons are same. So that's why they are in neutral state. But ion means when any atom loses electron. So when any atom lose electron, so then what happens? It become positive charges. And when any atom receive electron, right? When it receive electron, then it become negative charges. So clear? So positive ion means what? The atom when release electron, then it become positive ion. When an atom receive electron, then it become the negative ion. So when the liquid get ionized, so ion is clear, right? And now what is electrolyte? Electrolyte is the process by which we make the liquid as a conducting material, right? Now, so electrolysis, what the use of it? Electrolysis, it is the process by which we make the liquid as a conducting material, right? Now another is electroplating. Electroplating means what? Generally it is called pani chadhana, right? Pani chadhana, as you have seen in your home, your mother having some silver ornament, and this silver ornament having the gold plated, right? So electroplating means in this heavy particles are at the same time two terminals. One is connected with the lighter particles, another is the heavy particles. So gold is lighter than silver. So when we pass through the electricity charge it, so then this gold particle will deposit on this silver. So this is called electroplating. So one use of this electroplating is to make the ornament in shining, and another is your bicycle, your vehicle, it all having the silver coated. It is not silver, it is chromium. Chromium is lighter particles and it protect your vehicle, your cycle by the rusting. So that's why generally the use of it, so that it is also electroplating, help to protect your utensils. So that was electroplating. Right. One more thing, when we collect some ore, right, in ore many different nature. So when we go through the electroplating process, in this heavy metal will remain as it is, and then lighter particle we can separate the heavy metals and lighter metals by this electroplating or electrolysis, right? So current through the human body. Now next point, current through the human body. As you know, in our body, simple commonly you can know that we have it in sweat. Sweat, if you touch, taste it, then you feel the salty. So salt, it is what? It is sodium and chloride, NaCl, right? NaCl. This is positive ion and this is the negative ion. So this negative ion and the positive ion is make our body conducting. Same thing, electrolysis, how we make? To put some free positive ion and negative ion. Right, by this one more thing is left. Pure distilled water is not conductor. Because and one more thing I want to recall you, how metal is conductor, because they have the free electrons. That's why they are able to conduct the charge. Same here, in this liquid, if there is no free electrons, then it will not work as a conducting. So to make this, we add something, either acid which having positive ion or some salt that having both, right now. So that's why electrolysis. So sodium is positive ion and chlorine is, so it will make charge. So same thing here in the current through the human body. In human body we have the water molecules. It is not simple water molecules, it's having the salt molecules. So it is highly charged. So I hope this is all about this chemical effect of current. So if you have any question, any doubt, you can ask me in your you can send me your question in your my comment box. So I hope it is enough for you. Have a nice day.